Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a choker. To make this, you will need charm connector, and you need some jump rings, and again you need some charm connector like this, and a chain. For tools you need flat nose plier, cutter and bend nose plier. Next I take my ruler and measure about 7.5 centimeter and I cut it using my cutter. It doesn't cut in my first try, so I cut it again. This chain I'm cutting is to attach the necklace. And again for the other side, I am cutting the chain for the same length, 7.5 centimeter. For that, I am taking a head pin and slide it through that and measure the chain equally to the previous cut chain and cut it where I found the correct position. Now both chains are ready to attach the necklace. I also pre-cut some chains about 1.5 inches. This chain you will see it later when I make this necklace. Now I am taking the jump ring and open the jump ring and attach it with the 7.5 centimeter length chain and the charm connector and close the jump ring. Take the other jump ring and attach it with the next charm connector and as well as with the other connector and close the jump ring. Follow the process how I am making. You will understand better and it is not hard. Repeat the same process for the next ones. It's all about opening the jump ring and attaching the charm connectors and closing the jump ring. Now the next step is to attach the chain links that we have pre-cut already. Now open the jump ring from one side of the necklace and attach the small chain link and close the jump ring. Next, open the jump ring and attach with the end of the chain and attach with the connector, and also attach the second chain link and finally close the jump ring. Now with the other jump ring and attach the end of the second chain and attach with the connector and attach with the third chain link. Repeat the same process for the entire necklace to finish. The main thing is to open and close the jump ring properly. Always open the jump ring away from you and close the jump ring towards you. Never move apart on the sides. It will create a overlapping. Finally, attach the lobster clasp at one end of the necklace and attach the jump ring on the other side of the necklace. I hope you enjoy my video and learn how to make a choker. If so, leave your comment below and subscribe my channel to continuously watch my videos. Thank you.